In this tutorial, we'll see how you can create a guild on Discord and customize its settings. Open your server, click on the name of your server to access server settings. Scroll down to find guild settings and click on it. You'll see an option what games your guild plays. You can search for games and select them, like Genshin Impact or Apex Legends. Next, click on Select Playstyle to define how your guild plays, whether it's casual, competitive, or very competitive. This helps new members understand the vibe and expectations of your guild. Select guild traits to help people find and apply for your guild. You can choose options like minimum age, friendly streamers, and more. Don't forget to select a preferred language for your guild. You can also pick topics that your guild is passionate about. This helps members with similar interests find your guild more easily. In the right description section, you can type a bio for your guild. Explain what makes your guild unique, why it was formed, and why people should apply to join. In the guild badge section, you can create a unique badge and tag for your guild. Members will wear this tag next to their names across Discord. Choose up to 4 characters for your tag and pick badge colors to represent your guild. You can customize your guild's profile by selecting a brand color and banner to reflect your style. You can set up a join application to ask potential members questions before they join. For example, ask fun questions like, "Do you like cake?" to get a feel for their personality. You can review their answers and decide if they are a good fit for your guild. Once everything is set up, click Save and Exit. Now your guild is ready to invite members. That is how you can create a guild on Discord, customize it, and manage applications in just a few simple steps.